Upwork takes a service fee from your earnings, so the first job you land is never the full amount you see posted, and that changes how beginners should think about using it. By the end of this, you'll know if Upwork is actually worth your time as a beginner, what it's good for, where it gets frustrating, and how to avoid wasting weeks sending proposals with no results. Here's the short answer first. Upwork can work for beginners, but only if you treat it like a lead generation platform, not a guaranteed income source. That difference matters. A lot of new users sign up, send random proposals, and quit after a week because they expected instant work. That is not how it works. The first thing to understand is competition. On Upwork, you're competing against freelancers from all over the world, often at lower rates than you might want to charge. This means pricing matters early. If you are brand new with 0 reviews, charging premium rates is harder because clients usually look for proof first. The second thing is niche selection. General skills like virtual assistant or graphic design are crowded. Specific offers like Shopify product page design or QuickBooks cleanup for contractors are easier to sell because the client knows exactly what they're buying. Specificity wins faster. The third thing is proposal quality. Beginners usually write long generic proposals. That hurts. Short proposals that directly address the client's problem tend to perform better because clients scan fast. For example, if a client needs email automation, your first line should explain your exact experience with email automation, not your life story. Now the good side. Upwork handles contracts, payments, and messaging in one place. That removes a lot of the awkward parts of freelancing, especially when you're new. You do not need to chase invoices or build your own website first. That lowers the barrier to starting. The bad side is the learning curve. Getting the first review is usually the hardest part because clients trust proven freelancers more. That means your first few jobs are often about building credibility, not maximizing profit. So is it worth it? Yes, if you have a clear skill, a specific offer, and patience. No, if you are hoping to figure it out after joining. The fastest next step is simple. Pick one skill, rewrite your profile around one clear service, and send 5 targeted proposals, instead of 20 random ones. That gives you real data fast. If this helped you decide whether Upwork is worth it, like the video and subscribe for more no-fluff breakdowns on freelance platforms and online work.